Hey guys, JV Does Code here. Today I'm going to talk about Drupal. Drupal is a lot more complex than both WordPress and CMS was, so I had a lot harder of a time doing this, but I think I finally figured it out enough to make a YouTube video on it. So here we go. The cool thing about Drupal is that it is the only CMS that allows complex relationships. So I will show you my content currently. So I have a class. The title of it is just class, but if you go in, I have a class name and description, course image. But as you can see, it also has a location and a teacher. And these are referenced here and here. I don't remember if it was not John Cena or John Cena, but you get the picture. These are also different content types. So I'm going to teach you how to create a new content type. So you go to structure, and there's actually a content types. You can add a content type, or you can manage fields already in. I'm going to create a school content type. You add whatever description, name of school, and location. Save and manage field. Take a second. Here it starts with only a body. We're going to delete that because we don't need a body. All we need is not a number, text, a formatted text called school location, and then add it. Save and continue. We are going to say, we're going to keep the max length as it is, and there is only one school location, so we're going to keep that value as is. So what required field means is, does this need to be completed when filling out this content type, which if you're a school, I would assume that a location is needed. So we are going to save that. And then we are going to add another one called school name. We are going to use the same type of content, text formatted, school name. And this one, we're gonna shorten it to 75, because how long can a school name be? Oh, text name of school, but I'm not gonna put that. And we could have a default value that's there if somebody doesn't add this, but we are not, because it's pretty important that you have the name of your school. And from here on, if you want to actually create a school with a school location and a school name, go to content, add content, and it has all the different content types, name of school and location. So you go here and title school, school location 123 Apple Avenue, school name Apple School of Gravity. Actually, we'll name it Newton's Apple School of Gravity, and we will create that. This does not have a complex relationship because I did not add any. But I will show an example of what happens when I have one and I create a content for that type. So I am going to create a course. We're going to name it, the title will be class, but I actually don't have all these, so we are going to do IST 110, coding class. We're just going to use the default image, location. So here is where the complex relationship comes in. There is a location context within the classroom content type. So I'm going to make the location cheese 1, 2, 3, and the teacher will be Tim, Tony. So we will save that. And as you can see, it has cheese 1, 2, 3, Tony. But I didn't have to. So if I go to cheese 1, 2, 3, which is the content type room, you can see that I can add the building, which is cheese, and the room number 1, 2, 3. And Tim Tony, I can add the rest of his information, such as the name of the teacher, which is Tim Tony, course name, which is IST 110, and save. And as you can see, when I created that first, the teacher and the location in the content type class, it created the Tim Tony, which is a teacher content type, and cheese 1, 2, 3, which is a room content type. So Drupal was definitely the hardest of all the CMSs that I have used, but it definitely has the capability to do more complex solutions. So I do think it is the best CMS to date that I have used. So please like, comment, and subscribe on the video, and I will see you guys next time.
You don't know when it, it's not down where your mailbox is, and it's not in this room, then it should be at mail service.